We are back with our new session of desk sockets, which is called the built-in sockets.
Yes, this part will talk built-in sockets. So, Stanley, what are the desktop built-in text sockets?
Basically, a built-in sockets involves a little more effort to install than a removable one, but the results are often worth the effort. These sockets, as their name implies, are integrated into the desk or desktop. This means you have to determine the placement of your outlet, measure the proper area it needs to fit within, and then remove a chunk of desktop with a jigsaw or a hole cutter.
They typically, but not always, have closing tops and many customization options for the post widing.
Okay, so Jenny, we just spoke about the built-in sockets. So now let's talk about what type of built-in sockets we have offer.
Let's talk the flash mount model
Okay,
first.
the flash models are basically the index type, which can be accessed on level with the deck surface.
Yes,
so
yes.
yeah, so let's.
So
let's
you know which item is flash part?
I believe the flash ones are. Sorry, Jenny.
Yeah. This one is flash.
This one is flash.
Yes.
Okay.
And
this one is
yes,
flash.
and that mini one
and
this one.
So
Yes.
this one we keep them aside.
Keep the side.
Okay, we keep the other ones aside,
Yes,
and
we'll
we just
talk
let's
later.
talk about the ones we have right now. Okay, so yeah. All right.
Let me talk this item first.
This Jenny is very similar, very familiar actually.
Yeah.
I think we just spoke about the STS family.
Yeah.
But this is very familiar.
If you saw the our focus out before, you
the
will find.
removable
Yeah.
one, huh?
Yeah, we talk about the first session.
The STS C60.
removable, yeah,
Okay,
STS
the compact
60
one.
series.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
This is built-in installation.
So basically, this can be fixed flash with the deck surface,
Stanley,
right?
how about we should the flash the table
better,
to the customer?
better,
They
better.
will know better why we call flash. Yeah.
Okay,
we already make the
so we already
cutout.
made a cutout. This is a standard cutout, but if you we talk about the installation first.
Yes.
Okay, so basically you feed in the wire first, and then boom, that's it.
Very easy.
It's very simple for installation, and
you can see
have
here,
it. Yeah, you
right.
can see it. It's very simple,
flash,
and it's flash. You know, you see,
on the table.
it's flat on the table, and it's very very useful. It is useful when you require a quick access to power, data, multimedia, or USB charging. So this is about the installation.
Yeah.
So now, Jenny, let's talk about.
Now let's talk about the details of
yeah.
this item.
Yes.
The tracking also is standard type 8 modules.
8 modules, okay.
Yeah, the modules you can combine by yourself.
Okay.
You want power socket or you with data
or USB
charger
or
or
the
available.
HDMI.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you want longer, it's customer size as we said before. And here is the cable.
This one is for the IEC cable, right?
Yeah, connection. Yes.
But also
you can like this
one,
in connection power cable installation way.
So-
you can connect the body directly. Don't use the IEC port.
So basically there are two options for power supply. One is
And also
either,
you can see here is IEC connection the terminal.
so you can do the
you
inline
can
connection.
let
Okay.
the
So you can
socket longer.
expand your connection. So
One
basically
part,
there
one
are
part.
two types. One is the IEC and the other one is, as you can see, the pre-supplied power cable, which is fitted from our side. So it depends what type you need, and accordingly we can customize it. Okay, this is very simple product, very unique. Not
we want to plan the much time on this.
Exactly. We won't focus much on this because it's very easy, easy to install, quick installation, and easy access, and compact, and it's functional. That's it. Yeah, there's nothing much to talk about.
This item also you can combine to the recess items.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
Okay.
we talk to recess part. Yeah, can
Yeah,
put
yeah.
this.
So yeah, so we will talk about the recess part in the next session. But now let's focus on the
Okay,
flush
okay,
model.
flash first.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see the three round types.
Okay. The
It's a
grommets.
group. Yes.
Okay.
Father, mother, and
and
children.
the just
Kids.
born, the just born
Yeah,
kid.
this group,
Okay.
but
So
they
these are the
totally
grommets.
different
Okay.
function. Yes.
Functions are different. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see this item we model is STSR90.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Because the cutout the dimension for the is 90.
95.
Yes.
Okay.
95. Yeah, correct. And here you can see the USB charger 2 ports. You can choose 2.1 and 4.2.
Yeah, but Jenny, this product is very common. Like I see a lot of I see a lot of these kind of products. But what is so unique which makes this?
The charging, I see the market have many 2.1.
Yeah,
but Sinoamigo already have 4.2.
Oh,
4.2
that's
maybe
great.
Sinoamigo is.
So this makes our product unique. You might find this product with a lot of similar product in the market. But what makes a product unique? This product is equipped with a 4.2 amperes dual port USB charger. So this gives you a lot of options in terms of fast charging, and I believe the PCB for the USB is equipped with a smart chip with which has a accurate device recognition for optimized charging.
Yeah, correct. And here the also support one modules for power socket.
So it supports with
can install
the
the
universal
one,
Type 45.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is Israel socket.
Okay,
And,
Israel socket.
yeah,
Okay.
Truco or another
So
module
it depends
UK
exactly.
you
So they can choose from the wide range of our modules depending on their country.
Correct.
Okay.
You can see the back
And
side.
it's very simple actually.
One terminal here you can.
And how about the connection? Like what kind of
two
connection?
options also have IC connection or direct
GST also.
GST,
Okay, it also has GST. Wow, that's great.
Correct.
To make our customer to understand in a better way, do we have any kind of a video we can show to our client?
Of course, we had a video of this item.
Do we have? Okay, so that's great. So maybe we can run the video for the clients.
Yes, we can see the video firstly. Then we can talk more about this item.
Okay, so
later.
Jason, can you run the video for our R90, please?
Yeah.
So yeah, the video was quite impressive. So let's talk more about this product. Like, what is the material?
Material is PCS.
So the PC. So the material is PC, and the application is basically the tabletops, right? The tabletops or decks.
Yes, you see the dimension is 90 and cutout is 80. Yes.
So the surface dimension is 90 diameters,
and the cutout
is
80.
The 80 diameter.
So what I call this is STS. Item number is 90.
So
R90 because
exactly.
The round and
it's
dimension.
round. R stands for round and 90 stands for the dimension of the surface panel.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So maybe we can just show a quick demo of how to do the installation.
Yes. Just you saw the video, but here we also show the real sample how to install.
So you need to
open the hole first.
Of 80 diameter.
Yes.
Then you
put inside.
Feed the cable.
Yes.
And then you just secure it with the locking ring.
Easy with the rotation.
Okay, and there you go. It's quite simple and easy to
finish.
use. This is it's a very let's say it's an economic and a portable product. It's quite simple and it's easy to use, and installation is very simple also. There's nothing too much, nothing to talk about this product, but you know the best. I mean, what makes this product unique is about the USB charger. Like this one is equipped with a 4.2. We also have the 2.1 version, but
color also is
yeah.
option.
So
is
we have
black
and white. So apart
standard
from
type.
okay, these are the two standard colors, and yeah. So we would suggest you to go for a 4.2 amperes USB charger, and as we mentioned, the module size is the universal type 45, so it can be customized depending on what country modules you require.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
So I think that's it for. There's nothing much to talk. We can move on to our next product.
Okay, let's move to another items. This one.
Oh, so this looks quite similar to the
STC2,
what we talked about earlier, right?
Yeah, this one is ST1.
STC1. So it's basically the same family, but the appearance is different.
Yeah, the function is same, but
the
shape is different.
The shape is different, and I think it has some more functions. Does it have anything else? What makes it different?
Yes.
Apart from the shape.
Yeah, shape is different, but the function apart from the
power delivery and
but
the
also
QC3.0,
another function
it has
like
a
here.
Cable grommet.
Yes, cable. Cable grommet, and you can put the cable entrance from
Okay, so
and you know the size is same the normal size. If you buy a table like with a hole,
basically 60
computer
so when you buy a table, there you must have most of the time there is a hole.
That's a hole is standard type.
That is a standard hole which is 60 mm.
Yeah, 60 mm. So this is suitable for this item. So you know it's very
perfect. So we don't have to make any extra additional hole to install this.
Yeah. Okay. Some customers we don't want to open another hole.
It's a hassle because it makes the appearance of the decks goes bad. So this can be a very good replacement. Like when you buy a table with a hole, it has a grommet, a cable pass-through grommet. So instead of that, what you can do, you can install this.
Yes. Do you know how to install this?
Maybe we can show our client to get a better idea. And also, Jenny, I just want to say, okay, so you can just replace this on the hole, and this can be a multi-function grommet with a cable pass-through, and it gives you a power delivery and a QC 3.0 charging.
And also this item can buy to 4 parts,
Okay. Can we just show them?
Yeah. You can show inside the.
Okay. So basically, this one is the locking ring. The locking ring, and then this one, if you want to open it, I'll just show you. Okay, this one is the bracket, the fixing bracket. Yeah. Then to remove the main body, you just have to twist, and then just slide out the main body.
Yes.
Why it is why we have given this function is as we mentioned for STC2
function
USB charger,
and USB output.
This also has a dip switch. So dip switch. So according to what power, like for example, if you want to charge a laptop,
it's adjustable.
So you can alter the dip switch according to the power you need to charge your device accordingly. Okay, so there's a table, the power setting table. So depending on what power you need, you can alter the switch, and then you can get the right amount of power.
Yeah, correct. Okay. And here is support QC
3.0 and power delivery.
Yes. Why we always say the QC and PD, because he will let you charge it more faster.
Exactly, more faster and more quickly compared to a normal USB charger. And Jenny, does it have any certification like STC2?
Yeah, we also have a certification FC and C.
So it has FCC, ROS, and C. Oh, that's great. So this product is safe and reliable to use, right?
Yes, correct.
So Jenny, let's show them.
Do you know the material?
No. Can you just tell us?
PC.
Okay.
PC is most
the flame retardant PC, right?
Correct.
Okay. So maybe we can show them how to install, Jenny. Okay, just a minute. Okay.
Color also has white and black.
Just like
standard type. Yes. Same as STC1. STC1 and STC2 is color and function is almost same, just
Okay.
the shape is different. If
Okay.
you and also the installation is different. You know,
Ah.
STC2 is edge. You know,
Okay, okay.
install the edge tab, the
Okay,
edge
this is
side of
index.
the table. But this items you have hole, you put it in the hole
Okay.
and fix is not
Okay.
done.
So let's show the installation now. Before you install, you need to make sure you remove
Just
the locking
we saw
ring.
we
Locking
already
ring.
told the cut hole is 60, right?
Mm. So this is the 60 mm. We've already done a cutout for you to show. So
60.
this one, okay. So Jenny, yeah. So you need to feed the product into the hole, and then
Maybe we can change that into
we
that hole.
we can show another one there. Just help you. Okay. So this one is 60 mm. Okay, this is the perfect one. And then we can just turn it.
The installation is same. The STS
So it's
R90, yes.
and yeah, it's basically
You know,
the same.
almost round tables, round items, and same installation.
So
you just open a hole, round hole, then put inside, then let the bracket rotate with easy.
So I'm very curious about this this hole.
The mini type, right?
Yeah,
mini
what
hole.
is this hole for?
This one.
Oh, so this is the STC3.
Yes, STC3.
Okay. So
it's
this
with 2 ports USB charger.
So dual port USB charger.
Yes.
So I believe the installation is exactly the same.
Yeah, same.
Can you
just open the hole.
Can you bring it next to the father? No, mother? Okay, yeah, right.
Yes.
The father is fine.
With the family together.
Yeah, so
okay.
the family now is together, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, there you are. This is our USB charger in the Grommet series.
Yes, yeah,
so, charger. This one is the R90, which gives you an option of dual port USB charger.
Which one you prefer to?
And and with the power, this one is exactly. Yes. So you have a variety to choose from, and so depending on your requirement, we can adjust it. We can provide you the products.
You can see the background.
And apart from that, as we were talking, does this product has any video? I mean, the STC one. Does it have any video so that our customer can understand this product better?
We will show the video of STC one. Yes.
Okay. So the video was quite incredible, and I hope the information is clear after watching the video. Just in case you want to know more about this product, I mean more about the Grommet series, you can contact us or log on to our website, or you can subscribe to our YouTube or LinkedIn channel, and you can get all the latest information. Exactly. So so I think we are done with the flash models.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But we finished all the products.
Yes. For the fresh items, we will have new and attractive, fancy product.
Are you sure?
Yeah, developed. Yes.
Okay.
Here the
Wow. Wow, it looks like a machine gun.
Yes, it's smart and also it's auto.
It's a motorized one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's automatic.
So I believe this is a motorized rotary one. It rotates.
Rotates. Yes. Here, let me show. It rotates. Here is a logo off and on.
So there are two buttons.
Off. Yes.
So on is
you can
so
see.
as you can see, you can just
Okay. Yeah. This part is on and on. Hold it. Yes, correct. Okay. So, on is here the size is not the module.
This is not the standard.
It's not.
So
it's
not the standard.
Regular. Yes.
The regular.
Not the 45 modules.
Okay. But anyways, we have a lot of functions we can provide, right?
As before we talked the modules before, we apart from 45 modules, we also have 1 to 8 or any other size. So yes. If we like this item, we can customize.
Exactly. So as
here we choose the 3 multi-socket USB charger, data, and audio. Yes.
So let me just explain. Can I just explain about this product?
Yeah.
So this product, like Jenny mentioned, it's a brand new product. And it has a lot of functions, and it's a very attractive, very unique product. Why it's unique? Let me just give you a brief description. Apart from the 3 power modules, like this, which can be changed to whatever, like this one which we are showing is a multifunction, but this can be changed to, like, let's say a British socket or a Shuko if you want.
Yes. And you know the length is not how to say
customizable. This is a standard size.
It's not fixed. You can, if you want more modules or you want less modules.
You can do that.
Yes, of course.
Wow. So that is good. So unlike the SMT2.
Unlike SMT2, this is SMT3.
This is the SMT3.
This is motorized. Means it's not by manual. It's motorized.
So this one, and what makes this product apart from the power module, it has a USB charger, a dual USB charger. Then it has a RJ45 and RJ11, and also has
socket can change your circle and other types.
Exactly, and this one also has an audio jack. And apart from that, what are the safety functions? This, as you can see, you can see these 2 parts. These are the
It's anti-check, anti-fall also.
This one also has. Exactly. So this one basically is the photoelectric sensor. What is photoelectric sensor? For example, if there is a plug plugged in, and if you try to close it, it will not close it because there is a sensor here which will stop. Maybe we can try.
I put this one.
Here. Or maybe you can just plug in one USB charger. Just to give them a basic idea.
Here.
Okay. Like you see.
If you want to close.
Exactly. Can you just press close, Jenny? See, she's trying to close, but it doesn't. Why? Because exactly. See, as we see, it closes. So
it's safe.
Exactly. It's safe to use. You don't have to
worry. The logo is.
So the logo printing, exactly. The logo is beautifully printed in the center. But apart from that, I understand this has a lot of function, but what is some additional function which can attract our customer? Because it has a power, data, audio jack, and all the. But what is, because technology moves forward, so we need to keep the trend in mind. So
you can see here.
What is it? Is it a helicopter pad?
No, it's wireless charging.
Oh,
yes, you can see wireless charging in here.
So this has a wireless charging.
It can reach 10 watts.
Wow, this can reach 10 watts.
Yes, but here you must connect to
a QC 3.0 adapter.
And you put here, it's charging.
So as you can see, it can charge. So it can reach and so it's quite incredible because it is offering 10 watts wireless charging. So it can charge your device quite fast. And apart from the wireless charging,
Do you know the material?
No, Jenny, you can maybe.
Aluminum.
So it has an aluminium and it's very sleek.
And you can see here the
very slim, as you can see, very slim.
Yes. And the surface is very nice. How to see the
brush? It's like the brushed surface.
If you want a matte, also it's available.
It can be
matte and fresh and brush is like.
Okay. So apart from that, let's say, and it is very wow.
Yeah. If where we say is fresh, you can see you cut a hole like this.
Maybe we can just show the. We don't do a cutout. We just want to make you see how flash can it be.
Yeah. This is table, right? You can put it like this.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. And then like this.
See, it's it remains flash.
Change the
maybe you can change on the other side. Okay. So you see, it remains absolutely flash with the super slim cover panel. So this is one of the benefits, and it has a lot of functions actually.
We have these two screws to fix.
So these are the fixing bracket, the fixing screws to
the
bottom. Okay, I understand.
Here have two socket.
So I mean, two screws. So when you fix into the cutout, you need to tighten it to fix into the desk.
If you fix, cannot.
So it's difficult to take it out.
Can take it out.
Okay, very nice. So
So if you like it, you can.
I'm keen on this product actually, and I would also recommend this product to my clients.
Yes.
And so this can be a great product for a customer actually.
This. You can see the wireless charging.
Because apart from the power, which is traditional, it also has a wireless charging, which gives you 10 watts of power for charging, which is quite unique because 10 watts is good enough to charge to quickly charge a smartphone, our latest smartphones.
If you like it, contact us.
Yeah, please contact us, and we can provide you with all the details. And you can contact Jenny, or you can contact me. You can log on to our website as well. Okay. So that's it. So this was a very good product Jenny showed us. Even I was not aware about it. Jenny just showed me this new product. And I would be promoting this product to my customers as well. Okay. So we are done with this part. Now we would like to talk about our next series. Our next series of built-in sockets, which are the recessed models with the closing lid type. What are they? They are basically a custom professional socket with a hinged cover, and an aluminum finish. So Jenny, let's show them some of the models which can be. This one and this one. Okay, so these are the recessed type. These are some of our popular recessed models, but apart from this, we also have some of the other ones also. But these are our best sellings and our new products actually. So Jenny, let's talk about it.
Let's talk about this smaller one. Yes.
First we talk about this one because I was.
Why we talk this one? Because just I said, you can see the inside.
You can just take off the cover, I guess.
You can see the inside. Which product you guess?
Maybe you can just take off this so they can get a better idea.
You can see clear like this.
Okay, so
you can see here install a tracking item.
Okay, so maybe we can go closer. Closer. Can you see them, or maybe we can make them understand? Jenny will just show you. Yeah, Jenny will just show you. Okay, so basically, what we have done is, Jenny will just bring it closer to you. Okay, so basically what we have done is, we have just improvised. Exactly.
Maybe you cannot see clear.
Exactly.
If I put this white inside, you will see.
It is more visible. So basically what we have done is,
this item can combine with
exactly.
So together will become another item.
Exactly. So basically what we have done is we have integrated the normal socket, the STS the C series, into this unit, into this box to make it recessed model. So what happens is, for example, the flash type, some customers, they prefer to have their power and to be recessed, not to be visible on the table. So this is a very good idea to to have this kind of requirement fulfilled.
If you just as Stanley said, if you don't want this tracking install the Tesco
exactly on the flash on the table, so this can be integrated, right?
Take it inside will be more safer, because when with some water splash,
exactly water splash, some dust, and all And apart from that, what is because it looks the smooth material
and aluminium.
Aluminium, okay, and it's very light and sleek, and it also.
And you will find the edges.
The edges, exactly. That's what I wanted to tell you is
some markets.
The edges are very sharp, and there is a risk of hurting yourself.
Our process
you can see.
Yes.
I'm doing this.
No problem.
No problem. It's very smooth. It has the edges are very curved.
Because this item is stored in table, you will find like this. If you clean the table, you will need to very careful. If you is careless, you will hurt you in some market item. But our products, you don't worry for this part.
So we keep every aspect in mind. And you see, Jenny is showing you it's doesn't
clean
hurt
the table
you
like this. Yes.
So no problem at all. So you can just be rest assured about the about the safety aspect as well.
Okay.
And so we talk about the logo, where we can emboss the logo. Jenny.
Logo here some customer will like in the center, right?
Yes.
But left side, left bottom side corner,
it
logo,
looks different.
It looks
unique, exactly.
It also is available.
Exactly. So it depends on which location they need. Exactly. And apart from that, Jenny, I just wanted to ask you about the cover, because it looks it's very smooth. It's not like you're tuck.
Hear the voice,
there is
no noise, and it's slowly.
A hinge cover.
Yes.
Okay.
Slowly.
And also it has a brush enclosure, so for the cable exit, and it also prevents the dust infiltration from this.
This is very nice.
So it's very handy product. Okay, so now let's move on to a brand new product.
This recessed
which is called the STS250.
Two colors you can see. Stanley hand is white and my hand is black.
That's it. And this is our new product, and it has an 8 modules option.
Mount and plug direction is position is degree.
It's either 45 degrees or 75 degrees. It's 45 and 75. Okay.
Like this.
And so
you will plug in direct front of your socket.
And Jenny, what for example, if a client wants to, this is the 8 modules type, right? If my client wants a 12 modules, is it available, Jenny?
Yes, customized.
It can be customized to a 12 module.
Now it's standard.
Standard is 8, and also we can also be customized to 12.
Correct.
Okay. And apart from this, what is the material used?
The material is aluminium also.
Aluminium also. Okay, so this also has a brush enclosure.
Color.
This is a matte black, right?
Yes, matte.
Okay, and apart from that, there are a lot of products. There are a lot of products in the market which are similar to this one.
Then you will exchange why the modules is blank because we can change to
for example,
modules you like. Here you can see we put inside 2 modules. You can see the
so just to give you an example,
and also data is available.
Exactly. So basically we have it can be customized to power, data, multimedia, or RJ45, RJ11, depending on your requirement. Actually,
you can see the white one here is the cable terminal.
It has a cable terminal.
This mini hole is for the power cord, and here is square hole is for the data.
So we can provide the socket, the unit empty and with the socket socket installed from our side, right? So we can give them 2 options. And apart from this, what makes our product different from other products from the other suppliers?
This item also the age.
Exactly, because this is maybe you will say why this is new product. And there are similar products than this one, but this one is different because, as you can see, this panel is one panel. There is no this is one whole unit. And if you see the product from other suppliers, it has 3 different segments. So there is a tendency of it might break, or but this one, just because the reason we have this to make it more steady and more durable. And also it has a 75 and this one.
We upgraded this item.
Exactly, we've upgraded this item to make it different from the products from products from other suppliers. Actually.
Yes.
Okay, so
and how? Let me show the installation.
Okay, it's better we show the installation. Exactly, yes. So this is the cutout. I already made a cutout actually.
Cut out the hole. The cut out the hole size is 250 and 150.
So it's by 250 by 150. Okay, so the rectangular cutout.
You put it
so
inside.
The cutout, the installation is quite simple. You just have to make a cutout as per the requirement, and
you find the edge is very nice.
Yeah, you see, it's very smooth.
You cannot hurt your hands.
So it's safe to use. It gives you a lot of functions.
Very nice product.
It's a good product for office applications, for conference room, meeting rooms, and so on.
I think every customer, everyone want find the good and safe products, right?
Exactly.
If you buy a sample, because you already
because whenever you buy something,
enjoy it.
The most important things you need to keep in mind is quality, safety, reliability, and our products can cover all of that.
Yes, correct.
Like safety, in terms of material,
will let you buy it and enjoy it.
Exactly. You can enjoy the connection with our products, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our slogan is enjoy
exactly.
the connection.
That's what our slogan is, enjoy the connection. There is a reason behind it. Why? Because we want you to feel that every time you use our products, and they should.
No problem.
Okay, there should be some kind of a connection when you use our products, and we want you to enjoy the products each time, you use our products actually.
Okay, Sandy. Let's finish this part.
Okay,
and move to next session.
So let's finish this part and move on to the next product series.
If you want to know more details,
if you want to know more information about this product, please log on to our website www.sinoamigo.com, or you can contact us via email, or you can follow us on our social media channels.
Yes.
Okay. So there you are about this one.
This one elevate.
No. So there's another type. What is it? Mushroom?
No.
Looks like a mushroom.
Yes.
But the shape is quite unique.
Yeah, the shape is quite. Maybe you want to find another type in the market. This is our unique and innovation. Why we call this is elevate type.
So basically, elevated types are the models which are built in, but the access built in. The access is protrudes above the table, above the desktop. So this is one of our products which we have recently built. It is called. We have named it STS 4D. Power station. Why 4D?
Why 4D? Because we have 4 sides.
Exactly. It has 4 sides.
1,
and
2, 3.
I understand.
4.
I understand, Jenny. 3, but why this is 4? This is just a surface.
No.
Why does it 4?
This also has function.
What kind of functions?
Wireless charging.
So it has wireless charging.
You know Tuya?
The Tuya is a smart app, right?
Not smart.
So basically, what you're trying to say?
Maybe Tuya you will find in the wall socket. You will control your
at home. Like our smart home series. That it can be controlled with
this
Tuya
item
app.
Supports
so this
Tuya,
also can be controlled with Tuya app.
Tuya, yes.
So what?
You download the app.
Okay, so you just have to download the Tuya app, and then you just have to pair it with your cell phone, and then. What the Tuya app does is it just basically controls the plugged-in devices. Yes. For example, if you plug in some device and you forget to turn it off, you can always use your mobile phone. You can always use your mobile phone to just control it or just turn it off. And let's just show you some functionality about this product. This product actually, it is equipped with a capacitive touch switch. This is a capacitive touch switch. Yeah, you just heard the noise. You just have to touch, and there you go. You know, when it turns green, it means this is charging. Wait.
Okay,
now
you
can
want the
show it.
LED red color, then can charge it. Yes.
So as you can see, you heard the noise and the click. That means the wireless charging is in operation.
Hear the voice? Yeah,
Yes.
means in the charging now.
Exactly. So this one has a very unique product in terms of shape. The shape is a polygon shape. It's quite different. We have the patent for this design.
Then you touch the motorized again. No problem.
Okay. And apart from the Tuya app, apart from the wireless charging and the smart control device, it has 3 power modules. It can either be, you can either have one USB charger, like dual port USB charger, and 2 power sockets, or you can have 3 power sockets.
Yes,
it depends on what kind of requirements you are looking for. Okay. And yeah,
let me show the installation. Okay,
maybe we can show them some features about this product.
Here are brackets.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the feature, and let's show them how easy is it.
Yeah, very easy to install this.
Okay, how easy is it
You can see here it's round again, so we just open a hole again.
Okay, so hole again. And one more thing I want to tell you is, this product also needs a 60 mm
yeah, correct.
So like we mentioned earlier,
you don't need to open
you don't need an additional. For example, if you have a table with a normal hole, a grommet hole, so you don't have to make an additional hole because this can be fit. This requires a 60 mm diameter hole, so it can be fitted in any of the standard tables with a normal grommet. So like you see, Jenny is installing it into the table. You just have to feed in the cables first and then lock it, secure the unit using the locking ring.
Yes.
And yes.
And rotate the bracket.
Okay. And
fix. Okay.
Fix. Yeah, that's it. So there you are. The installation is very simple. It's basically like a DIY product. And yeah. It's quite simple. It's unique in terms of functions, in terms of shape, and yeah, what more do you want actually? You know, people and also this color can be customized. Like currently we have
colorful.
It can be changed to any type of color, like blue, red, yellow, like whatever color you prefer. It can be customized. So this is one of the benefits for this unit. And apart from currently we having the wireless charging is 5 watts. But as our R&D engineer Ethan, he mentioned during his interview, this we are planning to introduce 10 watts and 15 watts during this year. And it will be integrated in this DEX socket. So so this will be like
the wireless charging and Tuya also has options.
Exactly.
If you don't want this item to including these 2 functions, also you can remove it.
Exactly.
But depends
depend on your needs, because this can be customized upon like basically if you just need a basic version, we can do that. If you just
want
need
both of them,
you need the base wireless charge, just the wireless charging, that can be done. If you need the wireless charging plus Tuya, it can also be provided.
We have many options.
So we have a lot of options. And in the future we will also be having 10 watts and 15 watts charging. So that will make this product much more modern, and it will be smart in terms of functionality.
Let your life
exactly. It will make it more easier and better. Exactly.
Let your hand free.
Exactly.
So Stanley, now left only one hole.
We just have one hole left now. So let's keep this as a suspense.
We will keep it.
We will. But before that, we need to know about this built-in sockets actually.
You want? Okay. So no, I want to say if you want to focus more it and we we'll let to next session. But now I will ask Stanley one question. So who should use them?
I mean the built-in sockets?
Yes, I mean
so the built-in sockets, the closing top on many models ensure that when not in use, they remain flush with the desktop. This creates a discreet, it's discreet, pleasing, and a professional look. This and their permanent nature makes the built-in sockets a great choice for conference or meeting rooms where there is a need for convenient power and data access.
These sockets are customizable to provide more solutions. So if you need a wide variety of outlet types in a single unit, a built-in option might be your best solution.
Best solution. Okay, that's great. So so there you have it. We've already talked about our built-in sockets, and like Jenny said earlier, let's keep this whole as a suspense, and we will be taking a quick break now, and we'll be right back after our short break. Okay, so stay tuned.
You will know this whole will lead to which product.
Exactly.
So it's a wonderful product.
It is one of our wonderful products, and
we have many holes.
Exactly.
But different holes prepare for different types.
Exactly. So different holes for different products actually.
Yes.
So there you have it. So we will take a short break now.
Don't
go anywhere. For now, our other colleagues will be doing another session on a different product series. So we will be back right after a short break. Quick little break. Okay.
Yes.
See you and take care.
Bye bye.